All right, so let's have a look at another question. This is from the 2020 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. This is question 22. So we're told NISA has a credit card on which interest at 17% per annum compounded daily is charged on the amount owing. At the beginning of the month, NISA owes $500 on her credit card. She makes no other purchases using the card, but 15 days later she repays $250. Assuming that interest is charged for the 15 days, calculate the amount owing on the credit card immediately after the $250 payment is made. Okay, so 17% per annum compounded daily. So the rate in this case is going to be 0.17 divided by 365. So this is the rate, this is the equivalent annualized rate per day. And we're told it's compounded daily for 15 days. So we're going to use A is equal to P times 1 plus R to the power of N. This will tell us how much the $500 compounds to over the period of the 15 days. We're then going to subtract 250 from that. So we get A is equal to 500 times 1 plus 0.17 on 365. The number of periods is the number of days, that's 15. Then we're going to subtract 250 from this. So this tells us that the value that we're after, which in this question is A, is going to be 500 times 1 plus 0.17 on 365 all to the power of 15 minus 250. My calculator is telling me this is 253.504 ... So therefore, the amount she owes on the credit card immediately after the $250 payment is $253.50 to the nearest cent. And this is going to be the answer for this particular question. Now in terms of the marking, this is a 3-mark question. You will get 1 mark for correctly identifying the rate or attempting to solve the question somehow using either simple or compound interest. You will get a 2nd mark for constructing a correct formula to find the right value and beginning to evaluate that, and then you get the 3rd mark for the answer 253.50, being sure to round it to the nearest cent because this is dollars and cents.